Rice cakes can provide nutrients such as protein, vitamin B, potassium, iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, helping plants to root and thrive. After crushing the rice cakes, we mix them well with soil and use a suitable nursery pot to plant the plants. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. Young strawberry shoots are nourished from the vines of mature plants, so before cutting and planting, we need to use the appropriate method to create roots and develop branches and leaves so that they can absorb nutrients to feed themselves. After putting the soil mixed with rice cakes into the nursery pot, we start putting the young strawberry sprouts in and use bamboo sticks to shape them. Spray water and wait for the plant to take root before planting. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. From used 10-liter plastic bottles for storing household items, I can now use them to grow strawberries hanging on the balcony. I used scissors to cut the plastic bottle into two parts, the top and the bottom, and used a heat gun to punch drainage holes to prevent the plant from getting waterlogged after planting. After punching drainage holes, I used metal hangers hooked onto plastic bottles to grow strawberries. To make it easier to water strawberries after planting, I will show you how to use a 300 milliliter plastic bottle and a water-absorbent towel to make an automatic watering system, which is very convenient and good for plants. Simply punch a hole in the top of the bottle and thread a towel through half the inside and half the outside. This method of watering will not erode the strawberry roots and will keep the plant very moist. For me, choosing and preparing the soil for growing strawberries is very important. I use rice husk mixed with soil to grow strawberries. It is necessary to stir evenly to make the soil loose. In addition to providing long-term nutrition for strawberry plants, when mixed into the soil, it will help loosen the soil, helping strawberry roots to grow easily and metabolize easily. We sow strawberry seeds correctly, they will take root and grow very quickly. After 5 days, the strawberry sprouts have taken root, and now I will start planting them. When planting, we need to be gentle to avoid breaking the leaves, which can damage the strawberry plant, and plant at the base to avoid flooding the base, making it difficult for the strawberry plant to grow. Organic pellet fertilizer is rich in nutrients and disperses nutrients very well. It provides nutrients slowly by melting over time, and organic fertilizer is not harmful to us. After planting the strawberries, I will fertilize each plant with enough organic fertilizer, and don't forget to add water to the vase. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 15 days, the strawberries are green, healthy, and have lush foliage. Now, I will fertilize to promote growth and provide more energy for the strawberries to bloom. First, I will weed the strawberries to avoid spreading the nutrients of the strawberries. Then, I use a specialized tool to loosen the soil for each plant, helping the strawberries to be loose and have the best metabolism. To grow strawberries on the balcony, very close to the family, so every time I choose fertilizer for the plants, I always choose fertilizers that are non-toxic, harmful to human health, but rich in nutrients. Worm manure is nutritious, non-toxic, has good metabolism, and helps loosen the soil, so I will fertilize the plants. This stage helps the plant to withstand the weather, provides enough space for root development, good metabolism, and natural nutrition. I will add soil to each plant. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Thanks to special care, after 1 month, strawberries bloomed. During this time, the plant is very sensitive to weather and pests, so special attention is needed. Onions are very effective in caring for fruit trees, especially strawberries. Onions have the effect of stimulating flowering, repelling insects and mold. So at this stage, I will use 1 onion clove mixed with water and spray evenly on the strawberry plants. You see, from discarded items, I took advantage of growing strawberries, both saving costs and avoiding waste. After a short time, the strawberries have produced a lot of ripe fruit. Now, I can enjoy the fruits of my labor. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.